Okay, let's take a look at assembly registers. Processor operations mostly involve processing data, and this data can be stored in memory and accessed from there on. However, reading data from and storing data into memory slows down the processor, as it involves complicated processes of sending the data request across the control bus and into the memory storage unit, and getting the data through the same channel. Okay, so to speed up the processor operations, the processor includes some internal memory storage locations called registers, and the registers store data elements for processing without having to access the memory. Okay, so a limited number of registers are built into the processor chip. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at all the different registers we have in assembly that we can work with in assembly. Okay, so make sure you click the subscribe button, like the video, and share the video. Okay, so thank you if you have done that.